to Insured Brand Lifestyle. I'm Deuce.
I'm Sierra.
In this video, we're going to make delicious, refreshing detox water. What kind of water are we going to do this time, Sierra?
So today we're going to make detox water that contains orange, lemon, and cucumber, which is very refreshing.
Yeah, with detox water, it kind of help you stay away from the sugary drinks. Like, I'd like to drink sugary drinks. I be trying to stop drinking them so much, but you know, you throw the lemons and cucumbers in the water and the orange, it gives a little bit of flavor, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
And it helps with different stuff like digestive system.
It helps with your digestive system, with your mood, your skin. It also helps you with weight loss. So it's a lot of good options and good reasons to really drink detox water. It got a lot of good benefits.
Yeah, so we're going to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, we're going to prep it and we're going to show y'all how to make it, make the ones in with jars to put it in so it can stay fresh or whatever.
Exactly.
Right.
Welcome back to our channel. As we discussed before, we'll be making detox water today. We're going to be using lemon, orange, and cucumber, and also spring water. So let's get started. So what I like to do first is put my fruits and vegetables into the jar first. Just squeeze it up in there. And as I'm putting the fruits and vegetables in here, detox water is really good for a lot of things, as far as with weight loss, like I said before. It also gives you energy. It helps when you are craving for sugar. It's a lot of good benefits with detox water. Another good thing about detox water is that you can infuse it up to 12 hours or even overnight. So that's a +2. But make sure that you use fresh vegetables after the whole 12-hour period or overnight period. And sometimes you can put your little garnishments in it. You can put mint. You can also put lemongrass in it. A lot of good benefits. Sometimes you can put ice in it as well. And here you go. We have our detox water. So again, like, share, subscribe, and come back again.